Let me cut across to our panelists here. Charu Pragya joining us, BJP spokesperson. We have Syed Abbas, who's a political commentator as well. Here is a man who says those who wear jeans and use mobile phones. What exactly was this categorization?
Firstly, I'm truly honored to be on this esteemed panel, with two of the most young, powerful women, one in the media, yourself, Nabila ji, and Charu Pragya, my dear friend, who's doing exceptionally well in politics. First and foremost, let me tell you, I absolutely do not advocate the comment of Mr. Digvijay Singh with respect to this. I think it is absolutely uncalled for. Also, as a matter of fact, it is not just the Congress party, but also my dear friend Charu Pragya must understand and condemn the statements made by their own leaders. Pradhan Mantri Modi ji said 50 crore ki girlfriend. He made fun of Renuka Chaudhary, member of parliament. Also, he called Sonia Gandhi ji a Jersey cow. I think these are also sexist. This is also wrong. If Congress is wrong, Bharatiya Janata Party is wrong. I think me, yourself, Charu Pragya ji, we must come together as young people in our own respective fields and condemn across party lines those respective leaders, be it anybody, a Rahul Gandhi or a Modi ji, or even a Kiran Rijiju who made a meme out of it. He compared the laughter of Renuka Chaudhary in the parliament to Ravana's sister, showing that how deplorable it is. So therefore, Digvijay Singh is wrong, so is the other party leaders, anybody and every politician.
What do you think Digvijay Singh was trying to insinuate? What do you think he really meant by saying that 40 to 50 age group women like Modi and those the others don't, the younger generation don't?
I think it's as good as yours or Charu's. Completely laughable matter. I think Mr. Digvijay Singh is born to a woman. He is raised by women. I'm sure he's a father, he's a brother, and so on and so forth. I think what is the use? I think when it comes to politics, I think how much ever practical or pragmatic you try to get. If you're playing to the gallery, you're trying to be a good orator. But this is uncalled for. इस बात पे दिग्गी जी या मोदी जी, आप दोनों को ही वोट नहीं मिलेंगे. जो भी sexist comment करता है, be it of any party, it is absolutely uncalled for.
The sexist tone there, Digvijay Singh also seemed to have been referring to an age bracket, the younger age bracket, which does not favor Narendra Modi in this country. Do you reckon with that idea?
I truly believe that the new age woman is a thinking woman. I think the power or house of India today is Nari Shakti. I applaud Priyanka Gandhi ji on one end when she said, "Ladki hu, lad sakti hu." Bilkul, that is the courage of the woman. And putting them at any age bracket, sorry sir, let me tell you, according to the recent study, women are much more powerful than us men, be it mentally, emotionally, and physically.
We got that
well.
point, Abbas. Digvijay Singh seems to be insinuating here is that the forward women are not in favor of Modi. Do you believe that point or that what he was trying to suggest there?
Yeah, Nabila ji, it's plain stupid to think that women who wear jeans are forward or backward. That is completely a stigma in their head. That is uncalled for. I believe women in a sari, women in a jeans, women in any apparel is a leader, is bold, fearless, courageous, and they have every right to choose their leader, be it a Rahul Gandhi or a Modi ji. Please don't go on what a woman wears, because women by far must be judged by their own abilities and not by what they wear.
All right. Abbas, do you agree that women at large love Prime Minister Modi?
Well, that's a brilliant question. Let me tell you, if you see the recent consensus of the women voting pattern, I think that is a secret ballot. I do not know who you voted for, or I can guess who Charu voted for. So it's up to you women.
All right, Abbas. Charu, a quick word on that.
I appreciate everything that my friend Syed Abbas ji has just said, because it shows his in-depth understanding of polity. You cannot objectify women and then call yourself a leader in this country. If Priyanka ji actually calls out Digvijay Singh for statements like this, it'll be better, because here she is talking about ladki hu, lad sakti hu, and yet not standing behind women in her party.
I think Charu is absolutely right. I'm glad she's called out. Yes, certainly. I think we need to hold Priyanka Gandhi ji accountable for her statements, ladki hu, lad sakti hu. It is the same reason why she came very strongly against Ramesh Kumar, Congress party MLA here in the Karnataka Assembly, who made such a loose, uncalled for sexist statement. But what action did you take against the speaker who laughed in the same Karnataka Assembly, who's from the BJP? What do you have to say, Charuji, about Modi saying 50 crore ki girlfriend, Jersey cow to Sonia Gandhi, comparing Renuka Chaudhary's laughter to Ravana's sister? Why no action against your respective party leaders?
All right. I think I have time just enough for that much. Thank you very much, Charu. Thank you, Abbas, for joining us with those details. But here's